In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M55, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency numbers. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Safety and Emergency. Then click on Emergency Contacts and tap on Add Emergency Contact. Now click on the one that you wish to add and do exactly the same with all the other ones you need. Then hit Done. As you can see, all of my contacts were successfully added. If you want to delete one of them, you need to tap on those three dots at the top right corner, hit Delete, tap on the one that you wish to remove, and hit Remove at the bottom. Make sure that this switcher next to Show on Lock Screen is blue for emergency contacts to be shown properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!